To use the local storage, we need to add a web-sys creator to our dependency. So in cargo.toml file, let's add a web-sys version 0.3.77 features. We need to add a storage. Let's go back to the menda.rs file. Here, let's import the use web-sys. We need to import a window function and storage. In app component, let's create a variable. Give it a name storage equal to, we will call window function. It will return an option for the window, so let's call unwrapper to handle the option. Then it will return the window from that option. Let's call local storage method on this window. To use this local storage method on window, we must import this storage from web-sys. Then it will return a result for the option. So let's also call unwrapper to handle the result. Then let's call unwrapper again to handle the option, so we can get the storage. Let's use signal hook to create a state. Let's create a mutable variable, give the name content equal to, we will call use signal. Let's return an initial value, an empty string. So to string. Let's create a colon from this storage. So light storage colon 1 equal to storage. We will call colon method on this storage. In RSX macro, let's render this content. Let's create a h1 element. Let's render message. It's content. Let's create a button. Let's add an onClick event. Let's add a move keyword to this closure. Because it will move the ownership to this closure, so we clone the storage. So in this button, let's use this storage clone 1. So storage clone 1 we will call set method to set a key and a value to the local storage. So let's give it a key message. Let's give it a value hello world. A set method will return a result. So let's call unwrapper to handle the result. Here, let's add a content to this button. Let's give it a set value. Let's create another column to this storage. So let's give it a name storage column 2. Let's create another button. We'll use this button to get the value from the local storage. So here, let's change this content to get a value. Here is onClick event closure. Let's call storage colon 2 get method to get the value. We will pass a key into this get method as argument. So key will be message. This get method will return a result. Let's call unwrapper to handle the result. Then it will return an option. So let's use the match expression to handle the option. So match is, if the option is a sum, hold the value message. Then we will call the content.set method to set this value message for this content state. If the option is null, it means there is no key message with value in local storage. So we will set an empty string to this content. So to string. Let's create a third button to remove the value from local storage. So let's change this button's content to remove value. Here, let's remove this. we will use this storage. The remove item will pass a key. This key will be message. This remove item method will return a result, so let's call unwrap to handle the result. After we remove the value from local storage, let's also set the value for this content to an empty string. So content.set an empty string. Let's go to the web browser. You can see message initial value is an empty string. We got 3 buttons: set value, get value, remove value. Let's click a right button on the mouse. Choose this inspector. Here, let's click this one. Choose this application. And in this local storage, localhost 3001, let's click this set value button. It will set a value to local storage. You can see it will show the key is message, value is hello world. Let's click this get value. So we can get the value from local storage. It will show the content message is hello world. Let's click this remove value button. It will remove value from local storage. So you can see there is no key and value in this local storage. If there is no key and value in local storage, we click this get value button. It will show nothing. This is how we use local storage. Hope see you next time.